In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini Free, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by accessing settings and scrolling down to access sound. Then scroll down again and click on Vibrate Vocals. Over here, apply the best option for your incoming calls by tapping on it. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, never vibrate. When you're ready, go back, scroll down again, and this time use those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibration to enable or disable those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!